Brother Solo.
Hello, sir.
You know, say, not be mouth they can't borrow money, and they pay back.
That's true, sir.
Not be say you reach time to pay back, and me go come they find you.
No, not at all.
You sure?
Yes, sir. I will deliver. I will pay back immediately.
Okay. Which account do they use?
Okay. 06.
Okay.
90.
Hey, no worry. The name doesn't matter. Not be the name be this.
That's it.
Okay. We just deliver.
I don't see him.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you. You see, I must pay. If I don't pay on time, may God punish me.
Brother Solo,
I'll pay.
I believe you.
Thank you. How much for one night?
15,000. 15,000.
Waiting, I took cost to. We'll not talk much. I'll pay 2,000 naira, and for 1 week, how much it be?
14,000. Well, as the country has, I don't mind, but mind you, no pressing, no deal.
No wala na. Now because of money where you borrow me, now you know I let me rest.
Solo, no be Solo I see so. Hey, Solo, I tell you this thing that day. No be mad till they go borrow money, they take they pay back. To give me money na come be problem, Solo.
Baba, I never get your money. If I don't get them, I go pay. Everywhere hard.
You never get? You see, not be your mate they make money for Afro News. If you just register and sign up now for Afro News, instant they'll give you 1,000 naira. Yes, ma'am. If you go post news, or you make comments, or you even refer person or invite person come Afro News, hey, you know the money be that oh. Now money be that. If you download that app now, anything you do for that app, comment refer or read news you go dey get money. The good thing be say once your money reach 1,000 naira from all the earnings of the app, you fit withdraw am. And if you dey withdraw 1,000 every time like that, you don't be big man be that oh. Even me wey dey borrow you money so, na Afro News I for dey make my money. So Solo, you no really get any excuse not to pay me my money. Solo, abeg give my money.
Baba, what be this?
Na rope be this now.
This one go.
He set aside.
Baba, if you don't stress me, I will just drink this thing. I could just die.